Well, guys, this is the end of the Week 1 building season for Team Screen.
We have been hard at work building the basis for success in this year's competition.
All sub-teams have their jobs cut out for them on this difficult challenge we face. This year isn't going to be easy by any means.
While the difficulties we face are real, we aren't going into this blind.
No, we already have a main strategy, and I talked to one of the core builders, Levi Anderson, to hear about his thoughts and knowledge on the robot going into this competition. So, what is our primary robot strategy this year?
Our strategy for this year is to be able to shoot balls over the truss as well as receive them from other robots, whether it be just passing across the floor or shooting it into our shooter. We also want to be able to shoot into the high goal since it's more points than the low goal.
Okay. At the moment, how will the robot be built to do that?
Well, we're going to have a floor pickup, so it's going to be an arm that extends out outside of our frame perimeter and rolls it onto our shooter, and then we shoot it the same way out, whether it be over the truss, into the high goal, or to another robot.
Okay, so what are you looking forward to most about this season?
I'm mostly looking forward to the competition and the excitement of actually being there. Hopefully we'll make it to Worlds and that's going to be even more exciting. But I'm also looking forward to all the problem solving, as odd as it sounds, and the frustration that comes along with the final stretch in the build season.
While the build team is very busy working on the beginnings of our robot, every other team is working just as hard.
That's right, everyone has something to do.
Since this is the first week, everyone has their own thoughts and impressions of how the process is going so far. I talked to team captain Chase Bussey to have some insight to how Team Scream is doing as a group. What has the team been doing in the first week?
Our first week, we're really heavy into the design process. So we've had our CAD team going pretty much non-stop. We've been prototyping and mocking up different mechanisms on our robot.
Okay, so how has the team been working together as a whole?
Our engineering team has really come together. We're doing 2 bots in parallel this season. We're going to do a practice bot and a competition bot. So we've had our mechanical team cutting and assembling our chassis. Our electrical team has been setting up our control system and the footprint of the chassis. Stuff like that.
Sounds very busy. So in this intense competition, what is the largest advantage your team has in this build season?
Well, it's clearly me. I mean, honestly, we just have an excellent secret weapon. His name is Chase, and he is single. But no, really, I think we are really good at working together as a team. I think that we have a really good dynamic, and I'm really excited to see what this build season brings.
Yeah, it should be a really interesting season. Thank you for your time, Chase.
It's certainly been a busy week, and we have many more ahead of us.
The walls we have to climb over are high, but with the team's determination this year, we have nothing to do but succeed.
This concludes the Week 1 video. Going forward, we'll have even more information as this season gets more complex. Team Screen, out.